Hey, shoot. Get him. I gotta reload real quick. Give me a second. Hey, he's moving down. He's moving down. He's on our left. He's on our left. Over there.
Where?
Right over there.
Oh.
I know.
All the way around. They cut on
Oh my god! Dude! GG! Oh man, and you're on video too! Get him. I gotta reload real quick, give me a second. Hey, he's moving down, he's on our left, Over there.
Where?
Right over there.
Oh.
I know.
Things all the way around. They cut on Cumming.
Oh my god! Dude! GG! Oh man, and you're on video too! That was badass!
People here shoot at them and point back around, you might have a chance.
Yeah, we need to keep some guys over there for their attention, and we'll make it around.
Have somebody take charge and make a plan, okay?
Hey, if
Hey, if you see me up here around them, I'll just stand by them so you can kind of get an idea of where they're at, all right?
Hey, if you ever find a high cap like this, can you please tell me? I think it was over near there.
I got one right here. Is this yours?
Oh yes, thank you.
Hey, what we do to the rest, we turn them in at the desk, throw them at the end. If you're leaving it out here, just yell like that.
Okay, thank you.